Okay, in the last video, we have set a news data with React.js and insert data, new news. This type of functionality we will do with our products. I changed the name of my database. I will show you because I already have a products table inside this database. Just change it, and it's Lara Show 5.5. Already have a series on it. Inside products, I need to display products data by JSON array. Just create a simple that will return your data for products. Okay, but for that I will create a new model, same name of uh, table name products. That's fine. Here you will say function that will return at products and my data. Just refresh. Okay, I forget semicolon. Reload. Here is my product data. Just back to React.js. I need to put here quantity that will pass to your add to cart. For add to cart, you should install this package. For more information, you can go to this GitHub link. This is my blog. You should follow this functionality. Add to cart data. Just return your data which product already in your cart and clear for destroy your data. Let me add this functionality inside your route. Here I will say add function, simple. Put here will show you simple. Cart is function and add is functionality by your mm, you can say id, something, any integer name, uh, my pro name, and I forget. Let me check again. Price, quantity, you can see quantity is price something integer, and quantity anything, and yes, attribute you can use as a array. For multiple array, it's not necessary. You can make it blank. You can leave it blank. Okay, just save it. Go to your browser. Here just enter add. It's already add. Now we need to display. So for that I will create new function is cart. Inside this function we have to return your cart data. Let me return function is cart get content. Simple. Here this cart is two product inside my cart. Let me destroy cart, make it empty. For that I will set here clear function. You can name it anything. Function. Here you will say clear cart is simple. Clear function. Okay, clear. If clear function is done, we will return our empty cart. Okay, it will get content. Okay, get content. Simple. Let me try to clear the cart. Clear. Okay, I forget semicolon. Reload. It's empty now. I check cart. If I add, now I will check my cart. Here is the dot. Now I will show you one thing. Only ID is here unique. Everything you can change or not change. If I add a new product with same ID, it will increase the quantity. Let me show you. Same ID, just add something inside your name. Add is quantity 2 current. Add cart is now 4. Nothing changed. But if I change my ID, then it will add a new entry for your cart. Here is two products because ID is unique. Okay, you understand this functionality. Now back to your React. Here I will create a text box only for quantity because I need only quantity from user, nothing else. Second thing, I need a products information that will I get by ID. Okay, ID with ID I will fetch all information. Okay, and add to cart we need only quantity. So go for quantity. Here I will put input type text and input type text is, that's all. Here you will create a new function which just return a console dot log. You will say is event and event dot target dot value, event dot target dot value, because what user enter here on change function will run and it will go to hit your quantity function and pass to console. Let me show you in practice. Go to console, enter here your value. Now we need to pass this value to your state. For that, just create a constructor function. Inside the constructor function, super function is necessary. Okay. Here you will define your state. Inside state, by default, you will keep empty quantity because we are updating here. We will update quantity here with same this target dot value, but we enter here. But for that, make it number because I need only integer and min 1 max max 10 I think so. Okay, save it. Now it will go for error because set state is not defined. Let me show you error. Okay, okay. Reload. I can't enter English word. That's why. Okay. Set state undefined. For that, you have to register this function with bind function. I will show you bind function parameter is this. That's all. Every time you have to register new function you will add here. Okay, enter. Here is for check your react is quantity updated. That's fine. Now I need to pass this with form on submit function with form. Here you will say this dot handle is up to you. You can use any name. It's just a simple. Okay, here form close. Okay, form close. Inside this form you need a add to cart button. So here is button, type submit, and inside add to cart is value. Here you will create function. Same, you have to register this function. Okay, with bind function. I already tell you why the set state. And here I need to pass this function here. Okay. So for that, just comment this for now. You can say no comment. I will use here PHP artisan cart controller. Okay, I will make a controller is cart. Controller is complete. Here I will put, I will say my cart controller, and function name will be add. Go to your cart controller. Here you will put public function. Oh, I already have a function. Just paste here and name it add. And here is fine. Because we can use here request, that's why I move here. Here I just comment this and return my request, because I need to show you what we are passing before pass. Okay, here I will pass with exhaust with post function, and my all URL will work with my route name is add now become post. Okay, because we are working with form, that's why. And here you will say then is response. We can use console, or you can use anything. I am just showing you console request data. Okay, is everything is fine, but for passing you have to pass here curly brackets, name it quantity. Now where is quantity? Quantity is updating by value text box. That's why I am grabbing quantity from my state. Okay, that's it. Save it. Okay, so everything is set now. Now I have to hit this function. Okay, hit this function. Okay, enter the value. I put here 3 is quantity. Add to is reload. To stop this reload, you have to just prevent default. This function stop that default reloading. Okay, just enter, add to cart. Here you check network and preview is quantity, because we are returning this one. Now I will say it my quantity. Okay, just put here quantity, because we are passing here, as you can check header quantity, and I need ID. I will show you. But wait a second. Here quantity, I will pass here quantity. That's it. It's not a function. That's it. Now I will clear that data. Okay. Oh, sorry. Is quantity here is quantity. Quantity. Sorry. Uh, Now I will clear that data, because I need fresh one, and go to here, put any number. I put 34, add to cart. Okay, is not less. Okay, 4, add to cart. Here, oh, I have an error here. Cart is not found. Okay, use cart. You can read here, cart is not found. Reload. 3, add to cart is add. Now we are not showing any response, that's why. Is quantity 3? We have to get the 3 quantity here. Yes, it's getting now. Now you have to change name, price, and color if it exists, and ID. This all information depend on id we will pass here. Okay, how? You need to use your array from your products. Let me done my this work. Okay, I need this function where did mount is default function. Here you will say exos dot get, and my function is this function. If it return the value, same response we can show. uh, I'm not wasting your time to show in console. I just putting here products array is empty, and here I will updating the my state value. Okay, yes, you can do it. I'm sure you understand what is going on. It's request data. It's updating the data. Let me show you in the React. Go to main page, reload React, and here is 10 array products. You can see here is the array. I will show you here. For that, uh, I need to set this. You can say this dot state. I need to set this functionality. Okay, app. Okay, app, and here you will say data. Inside this, you will put a div, and it is close, and put all button and your quantity here. Okay, this works fine. Okay, this data. I have an error here because I need to put here. Yeah, check. Okay, here is my data, but I have to set that view also is cart body. I think I need to add this card inside the body card. Okay. Oh, and only the row. Just make this sense. Now I need a name, product name, that will be data dot row name. Is my field name. Reload. Okay, I have error. Okay, I need to add here. It's necessary. Everything will be inside this function. This main is no card, no card. Reload. Okay, here is your data. Now I will say div. Let me decorate this card header. Okay, it will go to card header, and this will card. Oh, sorry, spelling mistake. It's card body. It's card body. Last is card footer, and card footer. our footer inside we have a button that have a on class btn blog btn info. It's pretty good. Reload. Here is your products. Fine. You will say because we have a here quantity. Yes, I am weak in spelling. That's why I copy quantity. Save it. Reload. Here user will enter quantity and add to cart. Check add. It's 10 o'clock. It's nothing because I will say add, and here you will say if add is done, return product added to cart. That's fine. Reload, just enter and check console product added to cart. Now I need to pass product ID to your cart because I am not using here dynamic data inside controller. I need to using the that data. For now, just comment this because I need to again here I need to pass that ID. So for that ID, I will pass here. You can say this data uh, quantity. When we change quantity, we need to pass this time. Okay, this time we need to pass our quantity. That quantity and your e is product id, that will hit to your this one. Okay, here is id. Let me enter id. With id is id, pass here. Here id will change this default id. Let me show you in console also. When I hit this, it will show in console. Reload, go to console. It's main class name. You can see this is error about my class. This class name. Every time we will use here class name. Okay, class. I have class name where class. Here is class. Reload. Everything is okay now. Key just something we can use here. Keys. Um, you can say key dot id is car. Reload. Okay, all errors is gone. Now, if I enter here, is value undefined. Okay, value undefined because here id data id. Think that's why this is not defined. Try here is 5 because its id is 5, is 18, is 19. You can see it's working fine now. Reload id e updating id. Now you need to pass that id also with your form data. Here is quantity. You will put here id grab from your this dot state dot id. Sorry, reload. If I pass the data, just move this console data where I just reload. Randomly choose a gulab jamun. Okay, add to cart, and in network is nothing. Check my console. Network is header is quantity 2 id 21. Everything is fine. Here you can pass this id to every time when we hit the quantity. You can say id request id, and here it will go to not id. Actually, we need to pass that use product. Okay, it's app products. So we are using products data. That's why I'm using here. My data is data app products find, because we have a id. That's why we can say now we everything have inside. Let me show you, not to be confused. Return this, and its id passing here, return data. Let me show in console. Okay, not adding data, just return data. Preview. Here is gulab jamun. It's easy, I think. You understand what's going on here. Just put data is name, actually pro name. Copy here. This is its pro price. Its field name, you have to remember that. And quantity already here. ID, that's fine. It's up to you. Now reload, close the console, clear your all data in cart. Now cart is empty. Okay, cart is not empty. Now cart is empty. Now I am putting grapes here. Add to cart grapes here. It's working smoothly.